Well, not catching anything. Oh, I'm down here on the... Oh, I think it's the Indre. Yeah, it's the Indre. And it's an absolutely stunning river. Got maggots, some very sloppy ground bait, little cage feeders, and lead. I'm out there on a lead at the moment. A couple of dead reds in sensate. I've had several bites, but they're just not getting it in their mouth. I don't know if they're tiny, they're minnows, they're tiny, whatever, but I'm not getting any of it in their mouth. So just down there you can hear the waterfall. Might have to wander down there. I was float fishing down this way, and I had a fish on just under the bridge, but it got off, so the only thing I've had on today I've lost. But it's just stunning being here with all this bird song. Spring is sprung.